Hello, in today's short information video, we'll be talking about ChatGPT for customer engagement. ChatGPT is a AI language model that is designed to interact with humans in a natural and initiative way. One of the key benefits of ChatGPT is that it can be used to provide customer support and assistance 24/7. With ChatGPT, customers can get answers to their question and resolve issues with not having to wait for a human agent to become available. This can lead to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. Another advantage of ChatGPT is that it can personalize interaction with customers based on their preferences and past behavior. ChatGPT can be used data such as purchase history and browsing behavior to make tailored product recommendations and suggestions relevant content. In addition, ChatGPT can help companies to save time and resources by handling routine tasks such as appointment handling and ordering tracking. This can free up human agent and focus on more complex issues that requires human uh, expertise. So overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for engaging customers and improving the customer experience. Whether you are a small business looking to provide better support or a large enterprise looking to streamline customer instructions, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. So I asked ChatGPT for some benefits. You can read some benefits that ChatGPT gives you. Here's a quick example that ChatGPT gives. You can play with it. You can ask it yourself. And that is it for today's quick video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this information. If you want a tutorial about something or have a question or anything else, please ask in the comments. We will answer, and leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.